Happy Halloween! Are you ready to go on a trick or treat? And let's see how many treats we're going to get. Let's see how many treats we're going to get. Trick or treat! One, two candy apples. Yummy yum. Are you ready to go for next door? Let's go. Trick or treat. One, two, three, four, five lollipops. Let's go to the next house. Trick or treat. One, two, three, four, five, six sweets. Yummy! Are you ready to go to the next door? Trick or treat! One, two, three, four, five, six, seven marshmallows. Yum yum. Let's go to the next house. Trick or treat. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine candy canes. Yum yum. Here we go. We got number 9. Are you ready to go to the next house? Let's go. Trick or treat. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10 skeleton lollipops. Well done. Yum yum yum. Trick or treat. One, two, three, four sweets. Yum yum. Let's go to the next house. Trick or treat. One caramel apple. Yum yum. Let's go to the next house. Trick or treat! 1, 2, 3 sweets. Yum, yum. Let's go to the next house. Trick or treat! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 jelly beans. Yum, yum, yum. Well done, everyone. We collected lots of candies. Yum, yum, yum. Bye-bye and happy Halloween. Hello parents, please visit my Etsy store where you will find money resources that you can download and help your child with their early reading, writing and math skills. I will leave a link in description. Thank you for all your support and happy learning.